Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco 861N-10-10 aluminum collar and an anodized satin bronze finish. The 861 specifically means that it is a straight cylinder collar. The N refers to the thickness of 5/16, and it's the N part of the part number that will change as your thickness changes. 5/16. Okay. The -10 means satin bronze, and then the other -10 I believe to mean that it's an aluminum base material, is what I believe that to be. This is going to be a straight cylinder collar that's going to be used underneath typically mortise cylinders. It's got an OD of 1 3/8, which is typical. It's got an ID appropriate for a typical mortise cylinder, or rim cylinder for that matter, of about 1 1/16 or so. It's hard to tell with this sort of tape measure. Okay, 1 1/8. Available in several different thicknesses, as you would guess, from 3/32 all the way out to about 1/2 inch. Available in several different finishes: brass, a dark bronze, an aluminum finish, obviously bronze. Okay. And this sort of cylinder collar is used very commonly to stack off a long cylinder in a given specific installation, such as you could have an exit device. You've got trim on the exterior, it's all in satin bronze, and you've got a 7-pin interchangeable core cylinder that's installed there. And that cylinder, because it's 7-pin, is very long, 1.5 inch sort of length, sort of application. You could have a situation by which you have a 3¼ inch thick door, and it's not centered in the door as you might expect, and you've got too unusual length of cylinders, and you're going to use, some sort of cylinder collar, because when you get out to very thick doors, you don't have your choice of every 1/8 of an inch sort of increment when it comes to cylinder lengths. So where you're going to end up using this is less important than the fact that you're actually using it, meaning when you're using a straight cylinder collar and you install it, it's appropriate that it can be turned, not so that it rattles on your installation, but so that it can be turned. If in the instance someone wanted to put a pipe wrench or some sort of tool to spin the head of that cylinder off, this is supposed to turn to help assist in preventing that sort of defeating of the cylinder that way. Okay. Kaba Ilco is a comprehensive manufacturer of all things cylinder accessory related, not only cylinder collars, but obviously mortise cylinders, rim cylinders, etc. Any questions on the Kaba Ilco 861N-10-10 aluminum collar in a satin bronze, or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us.